we've seen a little bit of rain today. A few areas picked up 1/100 of an inch or so, but still expected to see more rain as we head into tonight and especially into the day tomorrow. So we look towards Chula Vista from Otay Mountain, some patchy low clouds, plenty of high clouds, and that is streaming all across the county. Our Pinpoint Doppler Live showing some light rain, maybe even just some sprinkles at this point in the Camp Pendleton area, about to reach Oceanside. As I loop this, you can see a lot of this is going into Orange County right now, and that's where kind of the brunt of the rain has hit so far. But we are going to see periods of rain as we head into the day tomorrow. But as I mentioned, really the track of this storm, how close it gets to us, will determine how much rain we get. Latest models are now taking that storm system a little bit farther to the south of us, which would mean less rain. So this is something we're going to continue to track into the day tomorrow. But this storm system is not going to be going right over us. It is going to be passing by to the south of us. And then as it continues to sweep across the country, it is one of the factors that is going to be bringing that major historic winter storm that we've all been talking about all week long. It is just insane how much snow and ice and how much cold air is going to be coming in behind this storm. For us here, it's actually not going to be that bad. We're seeing a few showers. We don't have all of the components coming together for us. We just have that one little storm system. Right now, temperatures are in the 50s and 60s nearly everywhere. Mount Laguna at 49, Ocotillo is the warm spot at 72. So our hour by hour overnight, you'll see that chance for showers pretty much at any point the rest of tonight into the day tomorrow. It does look like the brunt of it is going to be coming through in the overnight and early morning hours tomorrow. So if you head to work early in the morning, 3, 4 o'clock, at this point it looks like you're the one that will be most likely impacted by the rain. For the inland neighborhoods, it will be a little bit more mild tonight. Most of us are going to be staying in the 50s all night, even into sunrise tomorrow. And then cool in the afternoon. Temperatures trending near to about 5 degrees cooler than average across the county. That means the low to mid 60s for the coast and valleys, mostly in the 50s for, well, I should say Julian will be in the 50s, but Palomar, Mount Laguna will be in the 40s. The desert's temperatures are going to be trending in the 70s, and only a slight chance for any rain to reach our desert communities tomorrow. Most of it will be along the mountains and west. So our 10 News Futurecast highlighting 7:30 tonight, some showers rolling through the county, very hit or miss in nature. And then as I was mentioning, that the early morning hours, it does look like this will be the best chance for scattered rain. Hopefully this doesn't slow down. If it slows down, it will be more so during the morning commute, but as of right now, it looks like it will be coming in around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. And then this model is showing drier conditions during the day tomorrow. I do expect periods of rain. It will be light to moderate, and there is a slight chance for showers to linger into Saturday. The best chance on Saturday will be near our mountain communities. For the coast and the valleys, the best chance for any rain on Saturday would be during the morning. And then as far as rainfall totals go, again, this is highly variable depending on where the storm actually tracks. But I think a lot of us are going to see about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, and local amounts to about 1/2 an inch or so. Drier by Sunday with sunshine back in the forecast, and temperatures remain mostly in the 60s into next week along our coastline, but a little bit warmer than the next couple of days. For the inland neighborhoods, only in the 60s for a couple more days, and then 70s return by Sunday, with fair weather returning next week. We'll see a few storms passing by, but not expecting any rain. We'll just notice some more clouds coming into the mix. While the mountains, Saturday looking like the coolest day. We're going to drop down into the 40s, and that includes the Julian area. Mid-50s return next week, and pretty chilly overnight temperatures this weekend as well, though still not looking likely to see any snow. It will also be breezy in the mountains and the deserts on Saturday, but this storm system really not a big wind maker, and the deserts mostly staying in the 70s over the next 7 days.